everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are at Walgreens. We're ready to get some awesome deals. There's some digital coupons that I'm pretty excited for. I didn't buy a paper this week. I just feel like there wasn't as great stuff, so I'm just gonna check the one paper because what I got for I subscribed to a paper, all I got was this coupon. This is all I got. Like, it's bad. I always get the Milwaukee paper. I was gonna try to get the Chicago paper yesterday when we were in Chicago, but didn't want to stop. We just wanted to get home. But let's go inside and save some money. I have an Ibotta deal where I need 10 Ibotta rebates to get the Weekend Warrior. I'm not gonna like try to hit that, but if it happens, that is awesome. But let's go inside, have some fun, save some money. You guys know the drill. I go in the store, show you guys deals that I may or may not do. Everybody is different. Everybody needs different things. And then what I do is I come back and show you guys my haul. Any questions, comments, concerns, anything that I have that you guys can help me, I can help you. It's a win-win situation for everybody. So let's go inside and save some money. The Dove soap is $8. The men's ones are marked. The body wash are not, but I do think it's, I don't know what ones are all involved, but we're gonna do these ones. So here we have it says participating Dove products, but these are $8. We currently have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. So you're gonna end up using that. You'll pay $10, but then when you purchase 2 of them, you'll get a $4 register reward, making them $6 or just $3 a piece if you guys need to do that. My Shopkick deal did disappear, but check your Shopkicks and see if you have that, but otherwise this is an okay deal. If you guys need any of this Cantu shea butter, I actually scanned this one, but these are $4.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. There is a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that you can use. You end up just paying $3.48 for 2 of them, or just $1.74. Tresemme is 2 for $10. Now we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You end up just paying, you actually want to buy 3 of them. Use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $11, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them. Comes out to be just $6 or $2 each. Here we have the Head and Shoulders. I'm going to get the smaller bottle for $5.99. There's no digitals that I can find from scanning through the app, but you're going to buy 2 of them at buy one, get one 50% off. You'll end up getting them for $8.98. But then there is some deals with Checkout 51 where you get $1.75 times 2. So you'll get, was it $3.50, I think you get back with Checkout 51, and then you also get $2 back with Ibotta with a limit of 2, so you get $4 back with Ibotta. Your final price just comes out to be $1.48 or just 74 cents each, which is a pretty great deal. Here we have the Dollar Shave Club shaving gel for $5.99. It's currently on sale this week for buy one, get one 50% off. We do have a $6.99 off of 2 shave product, so you guys can end up using that $6.99 off of 2. You'll get both of them for just $1.99 or 99 cents, and then I think you also get bonus points for fetch rewards when you scan your receipt, so that's an even better deal. Here we have the Kids' Burt's Bees for $3.99. It's regular price $3.99, but there is a Burt's Bees Ibotta rebate for $3. You guys will just get this for 99 cents, which is a pretty decent deal for Kids' toothpaste. My store doesn't have these labeled, but some of the toothbrushes are $3, and I know one of these toothpastes is on sale for $3. When I scanned my toothbrushes, I actually have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that pops up, so you guys can get toothbrushes if you want. Otherwise, when I scanned this toothpaste, I had a $1 off digital coupon and a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that popped up. So I'm gonna get 2 toothpaste and 1 toothbrush for $5 after the 3 and the $1 off coupon. You'll pay $5 for it, but then you get a $5 register when you purchase 3 items. Comes out to be absolutely for free. Here we have the Colgate Max toothpaste for $2.99. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you can use. You'll end up just paying $2.98, but then you get a $3 cash rewards when you purchase the 2. Comes out to be free. You can pay with points and do this deal and then get the points right back. So easy freebie. So I'm doing this deal because my stepdad is asking for mouthwash. So I thought if you guys need this deal, but the Act Adult mouthwash is, the green one, is $4.49. Now we do have a 2 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon, plus we have $1 off insert coupons. You end up getting both of them for just $4.98. That's $2.49 each if you need to go ahead and do that deal. I'm just getting it because my stepdad pays full price and I do not like it. The Palmolive dish soap this week is on sale for $2.79. We do have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You end up paying just $4.58, but then when you purchase 2 of them, you get a $3 cash rewards, making it $1.58 or 79 cents for a big bottle of soap. Oh yeah. We have the same deal also with the Suavitel. So we got the Suavitel for $2.79 along with the Fabuloso for $2.79. You can mix and match however you want to do, but we do have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys will end up just paying $4.58 for these. You'll get that $3 cash rewards back, making it $1.58 or 79 cents. You can do the Suavitel and the Palmolive deal all in the same transactions. You'll just get $6 back, which is a great deal. Here we have the Renews. It's on sale for 89 cents. You want to get 6 of them. We currently have a buy 4 get 2 free digital coupon, so it'll take off $1.78. You'll end up getting just 6 of them for $3.56. Or, sorry you guys, I thought I had it up here, but my thing decided to crap out on me. Otherwise you'll get them for 59 cents each, which is an okay deal. I love this deal, but I have so many that I'm still using up that I'm gonna pass, but otherwise it's still a great deal. Okay, so this is a deal that's an okay deal. So the licorice is 2 for $5, but then we have a $1 off digital coupon. You end up getting them for $4, but if you guys are like me and you love movies, I do Vudu, so you actually get a $5 credit when you buy 1. But here's the thing, you can get $5 credits for every one that you buy, but you have to buy these in a separate transaction. I recommend doing this deal at Walmart, but you can actually just buy the 2 bags. You pay $4, but then you get a $5 credit. That's a great deal. Otherwise, I think at Walmart they sell these for $2.18. You submit your receipt, you get a $5 code. I actually bought a brand new Sonic movie. I paid $9.80 something for 4 packs of the Twizzlers. I did it in 4 separate transactions, submitted my receipt 4 times, and I got a $20 credit for a brand new movie. So if you guys have any questions on that, send me a message because this credit is awesome. If you like me, I love digital movies, but just wanted to share with you guys, but $4 and a free $5 movie. You can rent a movie, buy a movie, however you want to do it. It's still a great deal. If you guys need some tin foil, these are currently 2 for $2, so great deal. Better than the Dollar Tree, just saying. If you guys have this in your store, definitely check it out. These are 2 for $8, but online they show that they're 2 for $5. Now you guys could do this deal, it ends up becoming a moneymaker, but my store is currently sold out of one of them, so I'm going to buy the ones that are $7.79. Now when I looked at the app, they're showing that they're $6.49. And they're buy one get one 50% off. So I'm going to have my store price match the online price. If your store does not do the online price, just do this deal online and then just do it in the store. That's what I will do if they won't price match, but they're pretty good. So I'm going to have them price match it to $6.49. We currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you will want to use. You'll pay $5.73, but you get 295 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product with the Shopkick app, which is $1.18. You also get 1,500 points when you purchase 2 of them through the Fetch Rewards, because this is over 24 count, since I'm getting 36. So I'm going to get 1,500. If you do this one, you only get 1,000. So another 50 cents more. And you also get a $1 for sorry, you guys also get $1 with Ibotta, but it looks like when you purchase one of them, you get a $1 bonus. So without that $1 bonus, this comes out to be just $1.05. With that bonus, you get both of them for 5 cents, or both of them for 5 cents, which is an awesome deal. Hi everybody, welcome back to my Walgreens haul. So everything went by smoothly, everything turned out to be perfect. One thing is I didn't get one of those like bonuses that you always get, like every time it's like spend 20 get $5. I didn't get any of those this week, so I don't know if everybody didn't get one or what, but it's okay if you didn't get one, but it's just, you know, nice to have. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So I ended up just doing the Burt's Bees toothpaste because I wanted to get that Ibotta rebate. I mean, this was $3.99. You'd pay $3.99 for it. You get that $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 99 cents. I just got that just because I wanted to do that deal. We have the Dollar Shave Club shaving gel. Now these were $5.99 at buy one get one 50% off. There is that $6.99 off a 2 digital coupon. You'd get both of these for just $1.99 or 98 cents each. 98 cents each. Pretty great deal. So we got that. I ended up getting 2 of the mouthwashes for my stepdad because he go to the grocery store and he will pay full price for this, and it's like, don't do it. My mom yelled at him and I says, let me start buying you your mouthwash. I will buy you your mouthwash. You know, I said you can save some money. So yeah, so I got him these because this is the kind he wants. These were $4.49. There is a $1 off insert coupon that does expire, I think today or next week. I think it was next week. And then there is a 2 off a 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. You would just get these for $4.98 or $2.49 each. But like I said, I got these for my stepdad because he'll pay $6 to $7 for these. Like really, that's what a normal person does. That's what a normal person does. Like, they just don't want to deal with it. They don't want to deal with any of that stuff, so it's our gain. Anyways, I ended up doing the Head and Shoulders shampoo. These were $5.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. There was no digital coupons that were popping up, so you'd pay for $8.98 for the both of these. But then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta times 2, and then you get $1.75 back with checkout 51 times 2, so that's $3.50. These come out to be just $1.48 or 74 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal. So if you guys need that, go for it. My husband, that's the only shampoo, I mean, he uses the other stuff, but he prefers Head and Shoulders. My father-in-law, Head and Shoulders. My stepdad, Head and Shoulders. So I always make sure I get Head and Shoulders for all my family members. I ended up getting the Crest toothpaste and the toothbrush. These were $3 on sale. I had that 3 off a 2 digital coupon, plus I had the $1 off digital coupon. You would pay $5 for this, but my register reward did not print off. You're supposed to get a $5 register reward. I realized it, so she ended up giving me points instead. But with this deal, you're supposed to get a $5 register reward, making these absolutely free. But they gave me points because the register reward did not print off. I will take it because I prefer points over the register reward anyways. So these all end up becoming an easy freebie. So I ended up doing the Kotex pads. My store was sold out of the one, otherwise I was going to do that. But she did price match these to $6.49 at buy one, get one 50% off. You want to use that $4 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $5.73 for this, but you get $1 back and $1 back with Ibotta. And if you buy one of these with Ibotta, you get an additional $1 bonus. You get $3 back with Ibotta. And you get 295 kicks through ShopKicks, which is $1.18. And then I also did receive the 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards, which is $1.50. So these come out to be 5 cents. 5 cents for pads. Great deal if you guys need to go ahead and do that deal. The other deal comes out to be a moneymaker. So whatever you want to do, you just do whatever you guys need to do. But I ended up getting the Suavitel, and I also got the Palmolive. These were $2.79. Now there is a $1 off a 2 coupon for the Suavitel or the Fabuloso, and then there is a $1 off a 2 coupon for the Palmolive. So you'll end up using that. You can mix and match for the Suavitel and the Fabuloso. You can't mix and match with the Palmolive. But each you'll pay $4.58 for 2 of these or 2 of these. But then you get that $3 cash rewards, making it $1.58 or just 79 cents each, which is a great price if you guys need to go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna tell you this, make sure when you guys put your stuff in your cart, make sure you twist it tight. I have, yeah, from past experience, I have had stuff leak on me. These bags are awesome because they're waterproof, but just saying, be prepared for, yeah. Then I got the Colgate Toothpaste. These were $2.99. I used that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay just $2.98, but then you get that $3 cash rewards, making these for free, which is a great deal. My total came out to be $33.79. I was supposed to receive that $5 register reward, but she gave me $5 in points. I did receive $9.29 in points. That was for the Suavitel, the Palmolive, and then the Colgate. I also received $9 from Ibotta for the Kotex, the Burt's Bees, and then the Head and Shoulders. So I got $9 back for that. Why am I thinking that's not right? But it's yeah, that's right. But then I received that Kotex dollar bonus. I got $10 back with Ibotta. With Fetch Rewards, I received 1,707 points, which is $1.70. Wow, look at that. For Shopkicks, I received I received that 295 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.18. And then with Checkout 51, I will be receiving $3.50 back for the Head and Shoulders. My grand total came to be $2.49 for 18 items at just 14 cents each. I think that is a great deal, and I'm excited to share with you guys my haul. If you guys haven't already, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. It'd be awesome. My best thing is when I find out I have new subscribers. So if you guys are new, let me know. Love to say hi. I'm here to help you guys save some money, have some fun shopping, and just have fun. That's basically what we should do, is have fun couponing. Make sure again, you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.